Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we are finishing our issue 27 of the Ghostbusters Ecto-1 build. We have stage 102, and look at this. We're gonna start working on the rear door. Now there is not anywhere near enough parts in here to actually finish the rear door, but let's take a look and see what we got and see how far we can get. Okay, not a lot here. We've got the rear door itself, we have the rear door outer handle, and we have the rear door hinge along with a few screws. So not going to accomplish too much today, but at least we'll be getting started. All right, we're gonna kick things off with the rear door handle here. Just like the others, there's a little pin, it'll go in there, and the post will go in its spot, just like that. And we're gonna use an AM screw to hold it in place. And there we go. One door handle firmly secured. Next up will be the hinge, and it's just gonna sit just like this. Actually does fit on top of those posts. Wow, pretty secure. Can't even get it off, and I haven't even put the screws in yet. Holy crap, it does fit on there nicely. Okay, well, so be it. There it goes. Okay, but yes, so they will fit on top of these posts, and we will secure it with a couple of RM screws. And there we go, nice and secure. Sadly, that is it. That's all there is for 102. A very quick, very simple, very easy stage here, but we have started on something new and I can't wait to see where this goes. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.